Hi, in this video I'm going to show you the dynamic sounds from Alek AI System. And by the way, the event sounds you could hear in any of my tutorials, though I think not any, but like the latest tutorial or the showcase. I think it was the stress test, where they were hit, when they were hit. So let's just play it. And by the way, this ball is going to emit sound on well it hits something. So yeah, that's how it looks. And here is a ton of settings for it. You can really go crazy with it. And by the way, this um, little buzzing sound was due to, yeah, now there is now there is no buzzing sound, and that's because if you have like a dagger in VR and you would slide it across a surface, you can make it emit some sound of sliding. But yeah, so that's it. That's just a quick video so that I could leave a link in the description of the asset. So yeah, bye bye.